What I love about farming is the diversity. There's always something new, and every day you don't know what's going to happen. You have to be quick on your feet. So yeah, diversity, fast pace. I like that part of it. And of course nature, being outside, like who can beat that? This business has only been in our family actually for 6 years. We've been fruit farming for my whole life, but we actually are a half German family and started farming in Europe. I work with my brother, my dad, my mother, and we also have a Chilean orchard manager who is a close partner with our business. My brother and I mean, for us, this is a huge deal that we want to grow this and make sure we can keep providing fruit to all of our clients. I mean, we love selling apples. We love having good product. I mean, it's a good feeling when the customer walks away happy and you've earned your money, and it's everyone walks away happy from a deal. Frost, especially on the site we're standing, is a huge issue. Having just frost damage or crop loss from frost is big. Hail has been an increasing issue. So really, in terms of Mother Nature damaging the crop, there's been a lot of crazy things that happen in this area. We had a hailstorm in the middle of August, right before crop of the early apples. And when something like that happens, you just can't, there's nothing you can do. You just kind of watch it fall and you can't do anything. So we utilize crop insurance when incidents like that happen that are completely beyond our control. And yeah, then we're so thankful we have it because it, like I said, it's saved our lives and a lot of stress. Crop insurance has helped my dad sleep better at night. And without crop insurance, we would have had, I don't even know if this business would still be going.